Here I will show you how to find ads you've seen on the YouTube app. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on vital information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, so now go ahead over to your YouTube app. I'm just going to search for a random video that should have ads on it. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll down, find a video. Alright, this one here should have ads on it. Click into it.
Everyone wants to know how to make $10,000 a month as a student.
This one
The
doesn't.
only
Click
issue.
another one.
So look, we are.
Alright, I just realised why ads weren't showing up. I'm on a premium subscription, so I'm just logged into another YouTube channel now. So now I'll scroll, click into this one by Mr. Beast. Surely there should be an ad here. Oh, there you go. There's the ad that we want to watch or find. Okay, now to find that KFC ad, click onto your profile, click onto the gear icon, click on manage all history, wait for it to load, and then all from here under history, make sure that's clicked on, scroll down, and there you go, watch KFC's Burger Feast. That's the ad right there. So that's it guys for this video, how to watch previous ads that you've seen on YouTube. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.